Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so now that I'm taking you from start to finish on this image, I'm actually just going to finish it off by clicking on this little button over here and hitting flatten image, and it's going to flatten all of our layers. Hit OK. Okay, now we have our background layer locked, as you can see, and we can zoom in and see that we have detail everywhere. It looks good. And now we can actually hit File, Save As, if you don't want to save it as the Zoomify export. And you can just title it whatever you like. Pano, I was going to name it Pano. And you can save it as whatever type of file. JPEG, large document file would probably work pretty good. But we're going to do a JPEG, and we're going to hit save. It's going to bring up our JPEG options. And the JPEG options, more than likely you just want to keep it on high because it is a very big picture. Hit OK. And we have it saved, and we're ready to rock and roll. Thank you guys for listening on the photo merge and Zoomify, and a little bit on blending options too. Thanks for listening.